Right guys, it's British Bug out here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on my Gerber Bear Grylls Clutch multi-tool. Now, to start off, the features. It's got a little loop to put around your key cord, key ring, hello, that's my cat there. Also around cordage, anything like that. Next we've got a large flathead screwdriver, also with the bottle opener. Next we've got a small flathead screwdriver. Next we've got a Phillips head screwdriver. Then we've got some tweezers. And then a sharp blade. And a serrated edge. And then got a 3-in-1 spring-loaded pliers here with our wire cutter style here, circular pliers, and I won't call them nasal no, but thinner pliers here. Now, advantages: it's a small and compact size. It can obviously attach onto a keychain. It's comfy in your pocket. It's got multiple features and options. It does have what most others don't, i.e. tweezers and both small and large flathead screwdriver. Now, disadvantages: it's got a flimsy blade. And by that I mean, just get that close to the camera. Now, if you watch it, it goes back on itself when you apply pressure. Now, you can do that whilst doing that, but if you're using it for whittling wood or anything, it won't do at all. The serrated edge covers a little area when you're cutting, because the teeth aren't diagonal, like slanted from each other. So that covers a little area, which means that it takes more time to cut through wood. The Phillips head is far too small, and hello again. That's my cat Maisie there. And the Phillips head is far too small, and it doesn't really work at all. And the whole multi-tool itself is actually generally loose. It's like there's a little bit of play there. There's a little bit of play in the pliers side to side, and that's about it. So overall, I like its small and compact size. It does offer a vast amount of features, but some of them aren't useful and probably shouldn't be on there, or they should be improved. And my overall opinion is it probably wouldn't withstand a lot of damage or hard like work with it and use. But overall, it's a good price. Now you can get this for about £10 to £12, which I think is about $15 to $18. So I would recommend it for its compact size, but like I say, it's not brilliant. So if you want a cheap and small multi-tool, this is one. But if you would like a better multi-tool, I'd suggest not getting this and investing in one that's slightly more. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more. This is British Bug Out, and goodbye. Thank you.